Okay, so this is a revision video on mole calculations, which I'm sharing on YouTube if anyone else needs any help. Uh, let's first start off with what a mole is. The mole is a unit of measurement used in chemistry to express amounts of chemical substances which is identified as entities such as atoms, molecules, protons, and electrons. It is one of the base units in the International System of Units, and it has this unit symbol mol, or spelt MOL. The mole is based on the 12 carbon isotope as a standard measure. A mole of any substance is defined as the amount of substance that contains as many particles as there are atoms in 12 grams of carbon 12. Or put simply, it's a measurement we can use for calculating the concentration of substances, and if we have 1 mole of a substance, it equals its MR. The rule for this pyramid will allow us to, if we have 2 of 3 things in this pyramid, we can, for example, find out the mole by dividing the mass by MR, or we can find out the MR by dividing the mass by the mole, or we can simply multiply the MR by the mole to find out the mass. Like in the examples here, if we have 15 grams of sodium chloride, which is table salt, and we want to find out the moles, what we need to do first is find out the MR. Now, sodium's relative atomic mass is 23. If we just add that to chlorine's, we will get 58.5. And to find out, so we have the MR and the mass. All we need to do now is divide the mass by the MR, and we should get 0.26 grams per mole, or G mole. Another example is barium bromide. Its MR, if we have its MR, which is 137 for the barium and 79.9 for the bromine, we will get a total MR of 216.9. So there's the MR, and if we have the moles, which is 0.5 in this case, we can multiply the moles by the MR to get the grams, which is 108.45 grams. Another example is finding out the mass from the moles that we have and the MR. So over here we have iron at 0.36 moles, and the MR of iron is 55.8. If we just multiply 36 by 55.8, we get 20 grams, or in this case 20 grams, 20 grams, nearly 21 grams. Okay, so that's it for this video.